Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. And we're taking a look at the very first budget Google Pixel phone, the Pixel 3a. Now, the most current device that's out is the Pixel 6a. So, as you can see, basically, the A series on Google has been doing very, very well. And I wanted to play around with the very first one ever released. And just get a feel for it. It dropped May 7th, 2019, so it wasn't that long ago. But it is doing fantastic. Still running on Android 12. Just some of the specs for y'all. So it's got a Snapdragon 670, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and a 3000 milliamp hour battery, along with a 12 megapixel main shooter. And the screen size is a 5.6-inch display, 1080 by 2220 pixels. Um, it's fairly well for a mid-range device. Basically, when it first launched, it had a 9 Pi from Android or Android 9.0, and went all the way to Android 12. So at this time, it's currently not supported anymore. It won't be getting any more software updates. Um, and yeah, storage capacity 64 gigabytes of internal storage, and it's just got an 8 megapixel front facing shooter as well. So, single camera on the back, single camera on the front. Still does good, in my opinion. Still a pretty solid device. Definitely one, if you just want like a burner phone or something like that, this definitely would hit the spot, as well as still give you some of those benefits from the Pixel experience. Now, it is not 5G capable, so you might want to keep that in mind. If you want something future proof, this won't be it. But it is still definitely a go. Still one that, I find enjoyable to use, and still performing very well for a pretty old device.